Yo, what's going on, guys? All right, so in my last video, it was about me learning how to script. I was looking at the comments and someone said that I should, instead of learning how to script, I should learn how to use the studio first. I always thought that when it came to game developing, you need to learn how to script and then you also need to learn how to build, and you're pretty much set with the foundations of like overall game developing. I mean, there's UIs and all this other stuff. However, I completely overlooked the most vital part, which was learning the studio from scratch. So that's exactly what we're doing today. Today, I'm going to be learning the studio. Now, I will admit that over the past few hours, I have been indulging in scripting. All right, I'm not gonna lie, I am absolutely fascinated with learning scripting traditionally rather than using AI. Now, I'm not gonna hold you. Also, in the future, I will 1,000,000% be using AI. However, I want to learn scripting to a T. So in that last video, I was looking at the comments, and the majority of my comments told me to react, or not react, but watch and learn from a YouTuber named Brawl Dev. Now, there was a bunch of other scripting YouTubers also, and I even got recommended some YouTubers to watch from actual game developers. Well, not like you guys aren't, you guys are, but like that I have added from like previous games that were blowing up, that were like blew up, and I'm gonna watch those too. However, I spent the last few hours watching Brawl Dev, and I'm not gonna lie, I actually love it. It made me more fascinated with learning scripting a lot. However, in the future, like I just said, I'll be learning it. I'll be using AI more often. Well, more than using it traditionally. But let me just show you guys exactly what I've gotten so far off of scripting, I guess. We're doing functions. This is something that I did off watching Brawl Dev. All right, I literally looked at what he did. He did transparency, and well, something about transparency, and then he's doing functions. All right, guys, it's just a, I don't really know how to explain it because I'm still learning it, but like it's really cool. It's really cool. So I mean, I'm gonna keep learning. I'm gonna do most of the learning that I'm gonna do though won't be on video though. Like what I will do for you guys is that in order to keep up the consistency with this channel, I will do weekly updates, meaning that I'll do like weekly videos, like scripting, learning how to script, hashtag part 2 or part 3 or part 4 and so on. But it will be like once a week so that you guys can see my weekly progress with scripting, and then with building, and with just overall anything. All right, so as of right now though, the overall goal for this video is to learn the studio from scratch because I don't know nothing. Okay, actually I know a decent part, but like I don't know the overall part of this studio, the majority. All right, so first things first, part. All right, and that's right here. See, in my last video, I didn't even know where the part was, all right? I was so used to the really, really old Roblox studio because that was literally the last time I ever opened up a studio to like really use it besides paying for games. But okay, part. We got a part. That's easy, simple. You know what I'm saying? All right, so we could drag it around. I know that, obviously. And then move like that. I know that, obviously. Do people actually use this move thing, though? Do builders really use this the most? Or do builders really stick inside of, Blender? If I'm not mistaken, I'm pretty sure maps, from what I heard, I'm pretty sure most builders use Blender now to build maps. If I'm not mistaken, because it's a bit, not easier, but it's easier to get the things you want made, I'd assume. I don't know. Yeah, but okay, so move. Okay, and then if I want to select all, boom, select all, W. All right, and then rotate, wiggly rotate, simple. Okay, now the thing is, this video is not ending until I literally go through every single function of the Roblox studio. So we got a lot to go through. All right, and yeah, cute. And now actually, you know what, let me do something real quick because I think this is pretty cool. Wait, let's hit play real quick. Oh, wait. Not, I think, which one is it? I think it's this. Look at this. Hold on. Bro, I have no idea what I saved. Okay, this is properties. I remember that. All right, let's see. Hey, you know what I'm saying? Dang, this one's really, dang, you know what I'm saying? I did that. Hey. I didn't even know how I did that. I know I did that though. Was it? It was right here, right? Part 2. And yeah. Hold on. And that was part 2 right there. Hey, You know what I'm saying? All right. Anyways, dude, I'm not gonna lie. I'm just getting really hyped at like doing the scripting stuff, to be honest. I can't wait till I'm able to like really do type like thousands of lines of code or so. So we got that stuff. All right, that's rotate. Transform, actually. I don't think I've ever used transform. What is that? Whoa. Whoa. What the? Whoa, brother. Whoa. Wait, what? What is? What's the? Wait, is this like the scaling thing, right? Is this like a more advanced version of scale? Am I tripping? Oh, no, it's not. Wait, it is. Yeah, it's like a more advanced version of scaling. Okay, what is this? Geometric. What is that? I've never heard of that. Collision joint. Use bounding boxes. Snapped apart. Wait, no, I don't know what that means. Oh, is this for like, hold on, join services. Let's see. No, wait, actually, yeah. Okay, so that is what that was doing. All right, so wait, if I do this, okay. Yo, wait, what? I thought that would be join services. Okay, so wait, so collision now can go through. It's like, there's no problem with going through it. You know what? And in order for me to actually test, I should use the move thing actually rather than that. So collision is that. Okay, wait, collision off. Okay, that's off, so it's that. Wait, but if I turn it on, it shouldn't do that. W. Okay, all right, wait. Okay, wait, so what about join service? Like what is that? I don't get it. What is it? Okay, hold on, let me turn this off. What is that? The little white box it puts right there? That makes sense. Wait, oh, that's what it means. Oh, so it is that little white box. That's okay. It's fire. I like that. Okay, W. W. All right. What? Oh, this is the radius. Okay, so I'm assuming, yeah, radius is how much of the change it is. So if I'm assuming if I turn this to 2, rotating this, the line should be like really small, right? Yeah. But if I put this to like, I don't know, 50, it should be like, yeah. Okay, not bad. I remember like back in like 2018, 2017, when I was like learning how to build, I was using F3X the whole time. Do people still use F3X, or is that outdated now? I'm probably certain that that's outdated. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that that's an outdated tool now. But another thing is, in the future, I would definitely like to know what's the most popular plugins that I should be using. So if anyone has anything in mind, would you mind recommending the best plugins to use down below? But anyways, let's see. So okay, so we got the part. That's what we know. Okay, so we got this part stuff down. What is this? What is this? That's okay. Whoa. Okay, wait, so this was unchecked, but from the looks of it, that's what it is. I don't think this is very, for me personally, I don't think I'm gonna be using this, to be honest, but that's understandable. Kind of like it. All right, let's uncheck that. Yeah, okay. All right, and now the next thing is, okay, terrain. Ooh, terrain. I'm assuming it's exactly what it says. It's like building, right? Building, import. Oh, what the heck? Oh, wow. Ooh, okay, wait. Yeah. So yeah. Hold on. Let's put some terrain in this little box. In this little box. Let's see what this does, all right? Wait. Should we do 50? Oh, okay. All right, hold on. No, we have a little box or rectangle or so. All right, let's make it more square-like. And then, wait, we just wait, what? Okay. Hold on. So what? We just hit import? Height map. Oh, okay. Oh, so instead of import, just click generate inside of this box. Okay, so that's importing. I'm assuming that's where I would import it from Blender or something. Hills, mountains, plains, marsh. What the? All right, generate. In a small little thing. What? Okay, wait. Okay, what about instead of that? Let's do water now. That's fire. wait. All right. Let's lower it. All right, generate. Oh, what happened now? And it is under the map. Okay, let's go right here. Okay. So wait. What about this lava? All right, dude. What the heck? This is fire. All right. I'm gonna just wait. How do I? Oh, I'm assuming. Okay, I'll just hit. Oh. W. Okay, so I know terrain now. W. I don't know when I'll ever use that or when I would need to use that, but let's go ahead and see the next thing. And this thing is character. Ooh, what is this for, like animations? Select the pre-made rig. Generate. Oh, okay, my avatar. Wait. If I learned anything so far, hold on. Collision should be on, right? Or oh no. Wait, am I tripping? No. Hold on. Off. Okay. Wait. Okay. So So what, you just spawn a random character? I mean, what, R6, my avatar? I'm assuming this would only be, okay, no, this might be useful for a lot, actually. Like, let me think of why this would be useful. I say that this would be useful for builds, for builders, people who build, and understanding the exact size of the types of maps that needs to be made. And yeah, and also animators and potentially scripters. I don't know. I don't know on that part. Okay, but that's fire. So far, so good. I think I'm learning a decent amount with the studio. Well, learning how to use it. Obviously, though, because this is only I think I'm only 1 week into this. Not even a week, probably like 3 days. I'm learning a decent amount, but my overall thing is not about what I know right now. It's about what I'm going to know in about like 6 months from now, or 10 months from now, or a year from now. That's what I'm really excited about. So that's the only reason why I keep going with this, because I'm really excited to know how far I would be in a year. All right. How far I would be in about 6 months, probably even 3 months, or yeah, 3 months. How far would I be in 3 months? The thing is, when it comes to Roblox game developing, I look at it the same way I look at YouTube. I look in long-term basis rather than short-term basis. I want to know how everything will be in a year from now. So anyways, let's keep going. The next one is GUI. Ooh, okay. I didn't learn about that. I didn't learn about the GUI yet, but if I'm not mistaken, start a GUI. Okay, I feel like there's no way that's how you say there's no way that's how you say it, right? It's GUI. Bro, that just sounds weird for some reason. I don't know why. It sounds so weird. GUI. Oh, there's multiple. There's a surface GUI, add GUI, and billboard GUI. All right. I'm gonna say UI. I'm not saying who the freak. Why is it GUI? Why is it not just screen UI, surface UI? All right, let me see. What is surface UI? What is that? Dude, I don't know how to do this stuff. I'm gonna learn this in the future. All right, right now my only goal is to learn studio in general, so I don't need to learn that now. I'm gonna learn that in the future. Hold on, I think I know how to make this one work. Hold on, I think I know how to make this one work. Wait, why are these not working anymore? Add UI. Wait, why are they not working? Oh, it's on this side. And then what? I just like literally throw a picture up on here or something? And then yeah. Wait. Where is it at? Wait, where is it? Isn't there supposed to be a part where I was supposed to... Oh, no. Wait, click plus and I could either text or image. And then I think I'm doing it the hard way, low key. But I'm assuming scale on the image? Oh, hold on. All right, something I'm gonna have to learn in the future. Wait, X and Y, what is that? Ready. Yeah, this is definitely something I'm gonna have to learn in the future, because right now this is all confusing me. All right, but it's nice to know that I know a bit more. And then right here, wait, unique ID. Wait, right here. Wait, right here, right? Image content. Wait, which one you know what? Cool. Let's continue. Let's continue. All right. Next one is scripts. So there's script, which is what I started learning. Local script. And if I'm not mistaken, local script is just client-based or something, or just something within the server. I don't know. Module script. Don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I'm going to keep it a buck. I'm going to keep learning though. Import content from a file. So, okay. So this is where, okay, the OBJ files, everything. Okay, that makes sense. Material. Ooh, what is this? Neon? Wait, force field. What? Wait, what is force field? Ooh, I didn't know that was a material. That's fire. What is this? Oil. What is this? Oh, that is fire. You can generate materials. No way. Ancient stone wall. All right, because it literally said that. So ancient stone wall. Wait, what? Dang, Roblox really did go crazy with utilizing AI. That is crazy. Bro, that joint look mid as hell. Okay, you know what? Dang, I was about to start glazing. You know what? We could do, you know what? Yo, all right, but let's not even... But don't add that. But it's nice to know that that's a possibility. All right. All right. Next thing. All right. So group lock anchor. Another thing you guys are telling me in my last video, I was trying to make a floating ball, and a lot of you guys literally said just anchor it. And don't get me wrong, I know that already. I know that's what you do. But my thing was I wanted to make a ball that like floated, you know, like stayed up and down and stuff like that. You know, it was like doing some like type of cool animations, but not just sitting in the sky, bro. But thank you though for everyone telling me that. Here, let me just put this back down. Okay, next thing is, okay, so this is the side that we all need. All right, toolboxes, assets. What is that? Assets. What is that? What is assets? I don't know how important asset is, but toolbox, I'm also not entirely sure how important this is. There's stuff right here. I'm assuming this would be good in the future. Ooh, that's kind of fire. You could just buy the stuff off of Roblox. Wait, what would have... That's insane. That's actually very insane. Oh my gosh. A dragging system. What? Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait, why is it? Dang, Roblox advanced a lot. There's so much stuff just right here. Like free to use. Like, okay, not free to use. Like you pay for it, but like it's pretty cheap. Like a beach roleplay prop. Yo, I don't even. Yo, this just made me. Dang, dude. Wait. If anything, I'm not gonna hold you. This just made me want to like keep learning game development even more because, dude, what? Oh my gosh, this is fire. Okay, so what I like about this, right? Seeing all this stuff is I like seeing how easy it is. Because now what it inspires me to do is learn the harder version of it. Like learn how to operate without this, right? Like if this stuff wasn't accessible for me right now, I want to learn how to do it, right? I want to learn how to do it without that stuff. So now that that's at hand, it's like, okay, I already know how to script it and all this other stuff, like do all of it. So now let me just add that as a play plus. So it makes game development faster and more efficient. Like, I'm gonna be honest, like right now with the current knowledge that I have, if I was to just buy this stuff and start throwing pieces together, it would just be a glitchy, buggy game that just doesn't make sense. However, if I keep learning the back end knowledge, like scripting, how to script UI, like do UI scripting, how to do something called vibe coding. I don't know. I've been looking at like into the different types of scripting. So, you know, like vibe coding or like, you know, like, I don't know, like learn how to build, you know, myself. I like if I learn all this stuff now, then when I go to like buy packs or whatever, I understand how to piece it together. Like if I was to buy this level system right now, I would not know how to use this whatsoever. Yo, so I love that's accessible though. I love that this is accessible because wait till I learn scripting all the way. I promise you, I'm gonna be in this area creator store a lot. All right, I already have the capital to buy the majority, like anything on here. All right, but I just need the knowledge to understand how to operate it, my guy. All right, so I'll see you later. All right, I don't need you now, but I'll see you later, my guy. All right. Anyways, though, let's look at the other stuff. So we already got this stuff down. Cool. W. All right. Test. I did actually learn how to do testing because of, you know, Brawl devs when it comes to learning, running scripts. However, I just done this. I've just been doing this. That's it. So that I can see my character. I don't know all this other testing, other forms of testing, though. Like, what the heck? A controller emulator, player emulator, debug. I don't know what that is. My mind, you know what I'm saying? My mind has no clue what any of this stuff is. I'm assuming though, from just outside knowledge, just looking at it, this is seeing if your game works properly on different devices. So let's see. Oh my gosh, that is insanely fire. Wait, that is actually fire. Whoa, generic gamepad. Wait, that is fire. So you can do like game testing to make sure like everything will run smoothly for like all different types of players. That is insane. Wait. Okay, so player emulator. What is player emulator? Enable test profile. Is paid item to trading. What is all this? Pseudo local. I don't know what any of that is. Let's just run a test. I don't know what just happened, but you know what? I'm gonna turn this stuff off for right now. I think that'll be better in the future, not right now. Don't know what any of that stuff is. All right, next one is device emulator. Oh, whoa. Seeing how optimized the game is for mobile users. That's fire. This is fire. I like this. This is actually really fire. What, iPhone XR? Wait, what the? Wait, virtual controller, what is that? Meta Quest? If you have a VR game. Ew, is that what it looks like in VR? Oh, this is what the common VR users look. Yo, this is crazy. Okay. I like it. All right. W. iPhone 17. Is that what I have? Oh, I do have the iPhone 17. Wow, this is just insane to me. I'm not gonna lie. All right, off of that. Now, all right, so we know what the device emulators are. Okay, what's the difference between all these three? Like, I don't get it. Oh, hold on. So if I hold on. I could go right here. Oh, so it's like in different parts of the map on your game. Oh, that's fire. Okay, wait. Okay, wait, what is this? Run. I was just seeing if the game runs function. Okay, so it's that's my math function. That's funny. So it's seeing if the game runs perfectly. That is fire. Oh my gosh. Without needing to see your Roblox avatar. That is crazy. So now, what is this? Server and client. What is that? What just happened? Wait, server and client. So server and client-sided bug testing, I'm assuming. Server. Oh, this is server. And then, yeah, server and client-sided testing. I'm assuming that's what this would be for in sessions. Potentially, that might be what it's meant for. Okay, cool. So activity history, insert object, body colors, air controller, accessory. What the? Constraints. Oh my god, dude, there's no way that yesterday in my scripting video I was trying to use reverse scripting. Reverse scripting only makes sense after you actually know a little bit of scripting, like the fundamentals of scripting. Now that I'm understanding a little bit, I see that it's sound. Yo, they got okay. Wait. So wait, where was I just at? Window. Okay, that's fire. 3D. What is 3D? I don't align tool. What is that? Do people actually use this? I'm assuming they do a lot. Okay. All right. Yeah. I'm not gonna use that right now. Don't even know what that does. Collision groups. Okay, yeah, so it's just a bunch of stuff that right now, Minana, avatar, clip editor. Oh, it's for animating. Oh, I'm staying away from that. I know animating takes a lot of time. I'm not trying to learn that one. That one I'm pushing for a long time in the future. Animating takes a long time. All right, you gotta have the patience of a snail for animating. I am good off of that one for a minute, little bro. Okay. All right, wait. So I'm assuming select or import your content to get started. Okay, cool. I'm assuming that's through Blender. That's for Blender, UGC creators, etc. Live collaborators. What is that? Save and enable team create. Oh, so you can have your friends join you and start. Oh, that's fire. Okay. Debug. No idea what that is, but I know where it's at though. That's all that matters. Watch. What is watch? Again, at least I know where it is. I don't know it. Call stacks. Don't know what any of that stuff does. That stuff looks like a foreign language to me right now. Localization tools. Publish up. That also looks like a foreign language to me. Performance summary. I'm assuming this works when I'm running a chat. Oh, no. I'm not trying to do that. Test. There you go. So you get to see if there's any lag, how your game is operating. Oh, that's fire. Oh my gosh. You guys want to know something funny? Back when I first started Roblox, actually, I had my on this account. Well, back when I first created this account, the first ever account name for this was Reflected XSS because I actually wanted to learn Python. And back then, Roblox was giving out specific hats called the White Boss hat, the red white boss hat, or stuff like that, right? And I really wanted one. So I was learning cross-site scripting to find bugs inside of the Roblox platform to report it and potentially get that white boss hat. Let's just say I turned into a YouTuber because, well, I mean, you guys know, well, now, it never worked out. But I did learn quite a bit. It's been some years since I did it. It's been like 10 years ago. That was when I was trying to learn that at a really young age. All right, but anyways, let's see. So script, find in place, performance summary, micro profiler. Ooh, I don't know what I'm looking at, but this looks kind of cool. Let's press. What is this for? I don't know what this is for. GPU. Okay, just making sure. Oh, so I think the overall reason for this, the whole performance summary, is just to make sure that you don't like your game is like working function like properly and not like causing any lag or anything like that. I'm assuming. Script activity. What is this? So it shows you what scripts are currently running right now. That's pretty cool, actually. I think a lot of stuff I won't use. I won't need necessarily. It's not that I won't use it. I just think a lot of stuff I won't necessarily need. That's pretty fire. This is pretty fire. I like that. All right. Okay, next thing. What does this help? Start a I could have did this. I'm over here. I'm over here looking at everything. Welcome to Roblox Studio. Wait, what? Is this literally explaining everything right now? If I just go down there? Wait, what is it? What is this game? What does that say? What does that say? Welcome to Roblox Studio. All right. How is this a tour? I don't get it. What is this? I don't get what this is. I mean, this map looks pretty fire, actually. I'm not gonna lie. Like, this looks pretty cool, but like, I have no idea what this is. What is this? All right. What was the purpose of this? A studio tour? I don't get it. Some dev flexing their builds on me or something? Listen, little bro, I'm just now learning. What the heck is all this for? You're over here flexing and stuff. What is it supposed to show me? It's not showing me nothing. Just purely flexing. Oh, get off my screen. No, I'm not saving that mess. I'm trying to learn. Start a studio tour and it opens up a whole game. What the heck? Tutorial. All right, let's see this. I feel like this is going to be vital in the future. This forum thing or something. I have no idea what this is. Didn't it just say that there was like a forum thing? Developer forum? Yeah, dev forums. I feel like this is definitely going to be vital in the future. I don't know right now, but I do think in the future, this will be worth a lot of paying attention to. All right. So log into forums. All right. Let me do it. All right. I logged in. Notifications are used to keep up to date. Got it. Hello, world. This is fire. You know, I remember when Roblox used to have a legitimate forums like thing on their page. Then it got ruined by Quackity. Oh my gosh. Ability for in-game moderators to use ban. Wait, what? You know what? Before I actually start using this forum stuff, let me continue learning the studio, because that stuff just looked like a bunch of confusing stuff also. All right, I feel like a noob trying to learn how to day trade. It's hard. Show UI, show wireframe render. What the freak? I'm not this advanced, my guy. What am I looking at? Whoa. Take that off. I don't know what I was just looking at right there. Wind direction. You mean to tell me there's wind in a Roblox studio? That joint is blowing a certain direction? Is that how we moving right now? What? You mean to tell me the wind is blowing that way? Dude, what type of mess? Take this thing off of my screen. Show wheels. All right, let's take that off. Toggle comment. All right, so far I think I learned a lot about the studio and where stuff is, but I did not even go through all this other stuff. All right, so let me actually save to file. So far, let me save to file. Wait, what is that? Export G. All right, I don't know that stuff. Beta features, customized shortcuts. Cool. That future stuff. Graph editor. Oh, literally what I was going through. All right, future stuff. This is all future stuff. Okay. Settings. What is that? Avatar settings. Okay, future stuff. That's what I'm labeling it as. Style editor. What? That's fire. Future stuff. Oh, okay. We saw this go to line. 3. Oh, that's so if there's a problem with your script, it'll tell you, and then you just hit go to line, and then you go to the line. That's fire. Okay, I like that format. What is this? What is a format? Format document. I don't know what any of that stuff is. Yo, that's what we doing. Future is future. Willed, pivot. Okay, cool. There's a lot of stuff in here. There's a lot of stuff. Beam. Wait, what else is that? Fire, highlight. Oh wow, what the? That's actually really cool. Okay, and then plugins. Yeah. Don't know what other plugins to add. Okay. Oh, and then there's collaborate. Also, this is the easier way, so I could just like literally bring people in like that. That's fire. Okay. And then wait, what is this? AI assistant. Yo, my G, I'm gonna need you a lot. All right, I'm gonna need you a lot, AI assistant. You're my guy. You're yeah. Oh, there we go. What happened to my Explorer? Okay. I don't think I like the way that is. I don't think I like the way that is either. I think I need to find a proper like layout also with the way I want Studio to be, because I don't like the way this stuff is looking right now. Yeah, but that's fine. All right, cool. So I think we got everything. This is what I'm really hyped about in the future though. I'm really hyped about this. But yeah, so far I think I got everything. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. And I think I know the studio. But anyways, see you all in the next video.